The entire universe had to conspire for us to meet, take a chance, and fall in love. And I've never known a love the way I love you, or the way you love me. I know without a doubt that we were meant to spend our lives together. Because of all the people you've met and all the places you've been, you're standing here with me.
Lindsey, I have been at a loss for words for months. So much change has occurred, and most days I have to remember to keep breathing. Life has changed so much for me, but it has also changed so much for you. And still, through it all, you have shown up consistently, every single day, with love, patience, faithfulness, kindness, and compassion.
You are singular, the very best person I know. I love your kind spirit, your sense of adventure, your calm and loving presence. The rest of our lives will not be enough, and I promise to cherish every minute with you, encouraging your dreams, growing alongside you, loving who you are now and who you will become. Together, we will make our own way in a world of endless possibilities, embracing a life we choose full of adventure, simplicity, and love. I can't wait to see it. I know we take turns claiming who loves the other most, but today I accept that we love each other just the same, and that's so much.
Abby and Lindsey, my one charge to you is that you occasionally remind yourselves of the promises you made today. Loving well and building life together, my friends, it is not easy work. Today you promised yourselves and each other that no matter what has been, no matter what is ahead, you'll figure it out together. So do the work that love calls you to do every day.
I trust you completely, which you know is a hard thing for this little Scorpio heart. I love the way you view the world and how you challenge me to think around, in, and through the boxes I build around things. I love the way you start each day with a cup of tea and a book. I love the joy you exude when taking on new projects, especially when it involves me building something. I love the way you love Ranger and Arrow. I love the way you encourage me to dream big and live authentically, and I love that you are always up for an adventure, and there are so many more to come. It won't always be easy, but we are a great team. My promise to you for the rest of my life is to listen to you, to learn from you and with you, to compromise, to build, to read, to love, to put us first, and to care for you for all of my days. You love me perfectly, and words cannot express how grateful I am for you. You are magic, my love.